guys, welcome back to this special teaser episode of R&D Garage. Today we are thrilled to be test driving this 1967 Mustang Fastback. It's actually on loan from a mechanic in our complex, and we've been kind of in talks about buying the engine out of this. Now it's a 351 Windsor, pro-charged, a little over 650 horsepower, which you'll definitely hear when we get to the pool videos, but I'm going to show you what's under the hood right now. Check this out. Oh. So we're going to continue to have a little fun. The funniest part was that the seat is fixed, and I literally was about to start crying because I thought I wasn't going to be tall enough to reach the pedals, because literally when I first got in, I couldn't. So we got one of those foam things, luckily in stock at R&D Garage, and much like the go-karts, put it behind my back, I was able to drive like you're going to see. Stay tuned. We got a whole new season coming to you from R&D Garage. Okay guys, you ready for a pool? I managed to scare Dion last time, so let's see if I can do it again. You know, I love my imports. There is nothing like American muscle, I gotta say. Thanks for joining me on this drive. I've got a new massive crush. It's on a 351 Windsor Pro Charged Mustang. This car is basically, we're buying the motor out of this car, plus suspension, plus brakes. It's a whole new era for R&D Garage, and I'm glad you're along for the ride.